What if I told you that I copied an app from the App Store that is making $100,000 per month and I did it without writing a single line of code? Most people think that you need years of programming experience or a computer science degree to build profitable apps. They believe app development is this complex technical nightmare that's only for the coding elite. But here's what's nobody telling you. AI has completely changed the game. In this screenshot, you can see the proof of an app that's generating $200,000 monthly, and I'm going to show you exactly how I recreated this entire business model using just one AI tool. I discovered this quiz app called Quizart that was absolutely crushing it in the App Store. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, I did something most entrepreneurs are too proud to do. I copied their exact formula. Every feature, every design element, every monetization strategy, and then I let AI build the entire thing for me. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through my complete step-by-step process for cloning profitable apps using AI, how I integrated payment system without touching any code, and why this might be the easiest path to building your first six-figure app. Plus, I'll reveal the one AI coding tool that made this entire project possible, and it's probably not what you think. So let's dive in. The AI tool that we are going to use is Replit. With my code Cindy, you will get a 10% off and full access to the Replit agent. I added the link in the description down below. A very important disclaimer, the content in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm here to share ideas, strategies, and tools, but not to make promises about your results. Making money online, launching apps, or starting any business always involves risk. Your success depends on your skills, dedication, and circumstances, and there is no guarantee that you will earn anything. Nothing in this video is financial advice or a promise of income, so think of it as inspiration and guidance. You are responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. Alright, with that clear, let's jump right into it. Every student knows the frustration of starting a tough homework problem and feeling stuck. Sometimes you just need a quick answer to check your work. Other times you want a detailed breakdown so you actually understand it. And when a quiz or an exam is coming up, having those solutions in one place can make all the difference. That's why I want to build something that goes beyond a basic answer generator. A tool that actually helps students to learn, practice, and prepare. I'll ask Replit to create an AI homework helper app that allows students to quickly get answers to questions, understand step-by-step solutions, and prepare for quizzes, tests, and exam. Include a clean home screen, simple navigation, and organized tabs for text input, photo upload, study history, and account settings. Replit analyzes the request and lays out a structured development plan, which we are going to approve. The app gets its name, Study AI, and work begins on powering its core brain. It's actually an AI that can solve problems from both typed questions and uploaded photos. To make that happen, it needs an OpenAI API key, which acts like a secure password for connecting to OpenAI's advanced models. I'll head to the platform.openai.com, sign in, open API key section, create a new key, and copy it. And now back in Replit, I'll paste the key, allowing the app to tap into AI-powered explanations. Alright, the finished app opens to a clean, modern home screen with really quick stats and organized tabs. Students can type a question, snap a photo of a handwritten problem, or pull up a past question in the History tab. The AI detects the subject, gauges difficulty, and produces a clear, step-by-step solution using OpenAI's latest model. Everything is optimized for learning, not just fast answers. The searchable study history means that you can revisit old problems, AI-powered explanations help you understand concepts, and image text extraction turns handwritten work into editable text that the AI can process. Both text and photo inputs are handled seamlessly, and all solutions are stored for later review. The mobile-friendly design keeps navigation smooth across all devices, making Study AI just as useful for the last-minute review sessions as it is for daily homework. Now, a good homework helper shouldn't feel limited to just 1 or 2 subjects. Students often need help across an entire range of classes. 1 minute it's a tricky math problem, the next it's a history essay, and later it's revising a sentence for grammar. So, if the AI can't adapt to those needs, it risks becoming a tool that you only use occasionally instead of using it every day. I'll tell Replit to expand the input handling so the AI can answer questions in various academic subjects like history, science, literature, and so on, using text input. To test the update, you can see here that I'm asking questions across different subjects: math, science, history, economics, and even language. The Study AI handles all of them smoothly, delivering correct answers with clear explanations. Math problems include step-by-step solutions. Science and history answers are well-structured with relevant details, and language queries return precise corrections with reasoning. Now, the app supports over 30 subjects, including advanced topics like calculus, world history, psychology, and economics. Each one benefits from tailored AI prompting for subject-specific depth. The interface is more polished now with its comprehensive drop-down and color-coded categories, making navigation easy no matter what you are studying. We can actually say that Study AI is now a true all-in-one learning companion for students across every field, which is amazing, right? However, not every student learns at the same pace or with the same background knowledge. If the AI treats every user the same, it risks either oversimplifying or overwhelming them. To address that, I will ask Replit to add a difficulty level selector, high school, college, adult learner, so answers and explanations are adjusted accordingly. After implementing the update, we can now test the feature with the same questions at different levels to see how actually the responses change. For statistics, I'll ask, a factory produces light bulbs and historically 5% are defective. If you take a random sample of 50 bulbs, what is the probability that exactly 3 are defective? First, I'll choose high school and then switch to college difficulty. And for psychology, I will ask about Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory, starting with high school and then selecting adult learner. And finally, in the environmental science, let's ask, what is matter at both high school and adult learner levels? The feature works exactly as intended. Study AI's difficulty selector actively changes the AI's teaching style to fit the user's level. High school focuses on clarity, college leans into analysis, and adult learner bridges theory with practical application. It's available for both text input and photo uploads, ensuring that every question receives an explanation tailored to the student's stage and goals. Tailoring the answer is only part of the equation. A study tool becomes a lot more powerful when it can remember who you are and what you've worked on. Without accounts, every session starts from scratch. You lose your history, progress tracking, and the ability to pick up right where you left off. That's why I think it's time for Study AI to have proper user accounts. I'll prompt Replit with this. Implement login and sign up with email and password authentication, and store user profiles with their history of solved or answered questions. Once the backend is in place, we will run through the authentication flow to make sure it all works. With this feature live, Study AI now offers full account management, and users can register and sign in to access their own study history, track their progress over time, and keep their data private. Everything is tied to their account, so they can pick up exactly where they left off. Saving work is one side of the learning experience, and the other is speed. Even the smartest AI tool can lose its appeal if it's slow to respond. When students are in the middle of homework, let's imagine that, or revision, every second counts. They want answers that are not only correct, but delivered quickly enough to keep their momentum. We have to make sure Study AI could return solutions at top speed without sacrificing accuracy. So let's ask Replit to optimize the AI query process to return solutions within a reasonable speed while maintaining accuracy. To see the improvements in action, let's test two very different questions from philosophy and chemistry. Both answers came back quickly and with full detailed explanations, no rushed summaries, just the right balance of speed and educational depth. So Study AI is noticeably faster and more responsive. GPT-4o's accuracy is fully intact, but now with the added benefit of optimizations that make every interaction smoother. Loading states and progress indicators keep users informed while they wait, and caching ensures instant answers whenever possible. It's a combination of performance and quality that keeps the learning experience uninterrupted. Sometimes the fastest way to get a question into the AI isn't typing it out, it's snapping a quick picture. Printed homework sheets, textbook problems, or practice tests can be all captured in seconds if the app can actually use your camera directly. This feature will make Study AI even more flexible, letting students skip the manual entry and go straight from photo to solution. Here's what we're going to tell Replit to do. Enable users to take a photo of a printed question, process the image through OCR, and feed it into the AI for solving. The Photo Upload tab now includes a live camera mode with a real-time video preview, capture guidelines, and a one-click photo option that automatically sends the image through OCR before feeding it to the AI. Users can still upload files if they prefer, but the new camera option makes the process faster and more convenient. The interface is responsive, resets cleanly when switching tabs, and keeps the overall experience smooth from capture to answer. To try it out, I'll use a handwritten algebra problem. I'll point my laptop camera at the page and take the shot. So even with a slightly shaky capture, Study AI processes the image, runs it through the OCR, and extracts the problem perfectly. Within seconds, it provided the solution along with the step-by-step explanation. And for best results, the device's back camera gives clearer document captures, so always opt for that. For printed questions, that live camera mode already speeds things up, but math problems bring their own set of challenges. Handwriting can be messy, symbols can be complex, and even clean printouts often include notations that standard OCR can misread. To make Study AI truly versatile, it needs to read both printed and handwritten math problems, understand the symbols, and convert everything into a format that the AI can solve without losing meaning. I'll ask Replit to expand Study AI's photo reading abilities so it can handle both printed and handwritten math problems. The idea is for the system to not just extract the text, but also correctly interpret mathematical symbols. That means calculus notations like integrals, derivatives, limits, summations, and infinity, as well as algebraic signs such as plus, minus, equals, and so on. We can now put them to test. I'll upload a printed calculus problem, and next I'll switch to the camera and capture a handwritten algebra problem. Even with slight handwriting quirks, the AI reads the equation accurately, solves it, and explains the reasoning clearly. With this improvement, Study AI's OCR can reliably detect and process calculus symbols as well as algebra symbols. The system applies subject-specific formatting for math and science, ensuring that solutions remain easy to follow. Visual indicators confirm when complex math symbols are detected and interpreted correctly, giving students confidence that what they see on paper is exactly what the AI is solving. Solving problems is only a part of learning. Students also need to see how they got there and where they might have gone off track. That's why I want to give premium users something more than just an answer. I want to give them a guided step-by-step check that highlights mistakes, explains them clearly, and points the student toward the right approach. And all of that without giving away too much. I'll prompt Replit with this. Add a premium feature where students can submit their own solution, photo or text. The app checks each step, marks what's correct, highlights the exact line with the mistake, explains the error in simple words, and offers a gentle hint for the next step. Let users choose hint only or reveal solution. Save results to study history so they can review their progress later. This should be in a separate section, clearly labeled as a premium feature with a premium lock badge. It must remain locked until the user upgrades to premium. After updating the system, the premium solution checker appears in the app. It's clearly labeled with a lock icon and premium badge so users know it's part of the upgraded plan. The interface is clean and minimal with a white background, blue accents for features and buttons, and intuitive icons that make it easy to see each benefits at a glance. Until payment integration is active, the section remains locked, but it's ready to deliver step-by-step mistake detection, hints, and progress tracking as soon as the user upgrades. A premium feature is only valuable if users can actually unlock it, and for that, we need a smooth, secure payment system. The goal here is simple. Let students upgrade to premium in just a few clicks, choose the plan that works best for them, and get instant access to tools like Solution Checker. This is what I'm going to tell Replit. Add Stripe checkout to the app so users can upgrade to premium for $12 a month and $135 a year. When a user clicks the upgrade to premium, show a premium price comparison page, then redirect to the Stripe payment form. After successful payment, unlock the premium feature, Solution Checker. Save the user's premium status to their account and show a small premium badge next to their profile. Replit starts by updating the database schema to include Stripe customer ID and subscription ID fields. From there, it's time to gather the Stripe API keys, which I find in my Stripe dashboard. I'll copy the publishable key, which is safe to use on the client side, and as well as the secret key, which is used securely on the server. Once I have them both, I'll paste them into the Replit agent so the app can connect to Stripe. Replit then implements the full subscription system with monthly and yearly pricing, sets up the payment infrastructure, and builds the logic to unlock premium features after a successful checkout. It also designs the pricing page and completes the Stripe checkout flow. To test it, I'll go to the Solution Checker section, click the Upgrade to Premium button, and choose the $135 yearly option, which works out cheaper than paid monthly. The app now takes me to the premium pricing comparison, then redirects me to the Stripe payment form. After entering my card details, I'm sent to the premium success page. With the payment confirmed, the Solution Checker is unlocked. For the test, I'll put a geometry problem. I'll upload my handwritten solution, but purposely leave out a multiplication step after substituting values into the formula. Instead of multiplying by 1/2 times 10 times 6, I wrote just 10 times 6. And the Solution Checker catches it immediately, pointing out that the correct calculation should be 1/2 times 10 times 6, which equals 30 square centimeters. It highlights the exact step where I went wrong, explains the error in plain language, and even offers a gentle hint for how to avoid similar mistakes next time. That confirms that the feature is now fully functional, offering 2 modes: hints only for guidance without revealing the answer, and show full solution for detailed step-by-step corrections. Students get an overall correctness rating, encouragement for what they did well, and precise error detection with actionable advice. And just like that, we've gone from a blank canvas to a fully functional, revenue-ready quiz app built entirely with AI without writing a single line of code. What started as an idea inspired by Quizart turned into a working product with polished design, smart features, and a built-in payment system, all thanks to Replit's powerful automation. The process wasn't about reinventing the wheel. It was about understanding what already works, replicating it intelligently, and letting AI handle the heavy lifting. Now, the only thing left is to launch, market it, and start turning traffic into profit. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to build your own six-figure app, this is it. Grab the tools, follow the steps, and make it happen. And I'll see you in the next video.